Walang more!
He was there when Jennifer proposed.
Pumunta kami sa bahay nila and then nagluto siya ng sinigang. Then sarap na sarap kami, sinigang kami ng sinigang. Pero yung pala nilaga. Pero masarap talaga. Hindi lang namin alam pagkakaiba ng sinigang sa nilaga.
Always been assigning me to be the MC at the event in the church. It has really boosted my confidence. And super.
Not the fullest, but having God's perfect time. That's the best thing na natutunan ko kay Kuya Les. Happy birthday, Kuya Les.
Is nung nag-dinner kami sa kanila, tapos nagluto siya ng nilaga. Tapos sabi ni Ate Jane, first time ni Kuya Les na magluto. And yun, cool talaga.
Coolest na yung binigay niyo sa amin na gift na batam.
Coolest thing na ginawa ni Kuya Les para sa akin. Lagi niya kaming pinagluluto nung housemate ko pa sila.
Siya yung unang nag-lecture sa unang Sunday service na dinadalang ko. Na-bless ako.
Piniram niya ako ng Time Magazine that inspired me sa life ni Jeremy Lee at sa pre-marriage course na binigay niya para sa amin ni The Heart na para mag-guide yung future relationship namin.
Binili niya ako ng saging nung nagpapanggap ako hindi na makapanik ng bundok. Happy birthday, Kuya Les.
When he appreciated yung reaction paper ko dun sa SOLT sa Los Baños pa yun, which he was handling.
Kasi wala akong maisip eh. Pero the cool thing that we did siguro is yung time na we were checking if we had wings and see if our wings can make us fly. Happy birthday, Kuya Les. From Shaina, Sam, and Jerry.
The coolest thing that Kuya Les did for me was carrying my luggage from the airport to Yishun without riding a train.
The way he's entrusting me things boosts my confidence.
And he asked me a one-line question regarding my love life a few years back, which made me think and rethink, and gave me the answer for a love life that will last forever. So he is truly a man of few words, but he is just good. Cool, Pastor Les. Happy birthday. Love you.
Pero yung naghahanap-hanap no, si Boy palagi pag nagkakalim. Actually, mga lang palang experience. Coolest na. Anyway, ayun. Siguro yung pinakakan sa pavilion. Dahil kailangan mag-star park ni Ate Marie. Tapos lumabas si Kuya. Tapos, ayun. Naka-star park na.
Kailan? Cool. Siguro yung yung malakpak siya sa mga corny at saka mga bloopers na kwento. Yung pala ni Iskoy, Kuya. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Pastor Kuya.
Happy birthday, Kuya Les. Thank you for teaching me how to birthday.
He gave me this cute little Johan. And, honey, I'm so touched when I was in the operating room and you were there to pray for me before my C-section. I love you, honey. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Kuya Les.